Hi, in this video, we will show you how to disable notification previews on your iPhone. This will prevent the content of your notification from being displayed on your lock screen or notification center, keeping your notifications private. How to do this? We open Setting on our iPhone and then tap on Notification. After you tap on notification, you scrolling down, you can see the list of applications that already installed on our iPhone. You can select the app for which you want to disable notification preview. For example, I'm select Facebook here. And then when allow notification is on, you can scrolling down. Then you gonna find show preview. Tap on this. After that, if you want to disable the show preview, select never. There are three options. If you want to disable, select never. And if you want to enable, select always default. Or maybe if you want to enable when unlocked, select when unlocked. Because we want to disable, I'm going to select never. That's it. You successfully turn off notification preview for the selected app on your iPhone. Repeat this step for any other application for which you want to disable notification preview. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful video. Bye!